What I'll do is I'll put mascara on first. That way it like sticks a little better. And then you have mascara on the inner lashes, which aren't gonna be having the fake lashes. And then you just put this like as close as you can to your lash line, lining it up to the edge. And then for like that 1 split second, you're gonna let it sit on your lashes and your hand's not gonna be there. And you're gonna grab the bottom one and then you're gonna get as close as you can to the magnet of the top one, as close as you can to your lash line. And then the two magnets find each other and they clip in around your actual lash. Isn't that cool? So that is how they work. So getting them in, a little bit of a learning curve, a lot of it of a learning curve. And when you're getting them off, oh my God, piece of cake to get them off. So you're just like literally pinching, I just took them off, okay? So they come off super, super easy. They are attached because they're magnets right there. So this would be 2 of them. Let me undo it. There we go. So there's each one. You can see the difference. So the eye that doesn't have the clip-on, the eye with the clip-on. What a difference, right? And it's just the half lash. That half lash makes such a difference. And I'm wearing mascara.